Good morning, traders. Thank you so much for hopping in here today. VXRT was the #1 play today, and although I did not chase this stock, I was still able to capitalize on some gains off of some bounce plays. As disciplined and patient as I am, sometimes it hurts me just not chasing stocks. But at the end of the day, when we're not under these market conditions and we're back to a less hotter time, the way I trade is going to be profitable. Not experiencing FOMO. So, although I'm not making as much as I like to on these really hot days, at the same time, I'm happy. I'm trading the setups. I'm trading what's predictable. I'm taking my money. I'm getting out of there. We do live trading every day, guys. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Enjoy the video. Trying to get in WMLP. That big wash got in at 219. At 319, just huge sell-off. I don't imagine this one getting back up to 270, but we should get a little bounce right here. In VXRT, this is the one on my main watch, but it's not really giving us a pullback at all. So WMLP, I'm just holding that one because it should bounce just a little bit. If VXRT comes down to 550, of course that would be a great entry. Who knows if that's going to happen. Yesterday with VTVT, we didn't see any sort of pullback. But I can't buy the top like this, guys. Here's the support we're looking at. That would be very solid support around 550. Not only do we have these candles that formed the support line, but we also have the VWAP and the half dollar. Great support, just like we saw yesterday with VTVT. We'll see if it can come down to this area. This is where I will be looking for an entry if this can get down to around 550. I think I'm going to take a starter position. Okay, starter position at 592. I'll take right here. See if 575 is going to hold up. I will add to this position if it comes all the way back down to 550. It took a little bit right there. I just went ahead and sold that. If it comes back down, I'll look to purchase it again. All right, I took WMLP. The reason I even got in this is just this huge wash, guys. I didn't expect it to come all the way back up, but should come up a little bit. Just like yesterday, I'm going to wait for a pullback, guys. I just can't buy at the top. Fake out breakouts happen way too much. If this one pulls back to 575, 550, that's when I'll look for an entry, not up here at its high. This is definitely tough, guys, because some of these stocks are so hot, and it's hard for me to adapt to that because I don't like chasing. I absolutely hate chasing. Really do. And then, of course, I take my profits too early, like I did off this play. If this one cracks $7 and comes down to around this 650 area, I'll look for an entry there as well. Because I gotta have it down a little bit lower. Gotta have it down a little bit lower, guys. Come on. Okay. This is where I'm in. 671. Alright, I took it there. Finally a bounce play, guys. Finally a bounce play. It's so painful watching this thing go straight up without me. But you gotta stick to your plan, guys. You gotta stick to your plan. Draw out your trend lines. Know where you're gonna buy this. I'm a support type of guy. I do not like buying into resistance at all. Definitely gonna look for a few more scalp opportunities on this stock to be able to make a few more dollars on it. If it cracks this trend line, comes down to 650, that'll be my next little scalp entry on it as well. So I'll go ahead and place that order out there, 650, ride that up to 675-ish. Alright, I'm in at 670, 200 shares. This is kind of a starter position. I think it could come back down at 650 and 639. But I want to just go ahead and grab a few shares right there. And if it comes back down a little bit more, I'll look to add a little bit to my position as well. I think this one can start turning around right here because we do have solid 650 support. Alright, took that, locked that in. Up 240 on the day so far. Just playing it off the bounce. I'm not even chasing this stock, guys. I'm playing it off the bounce. Alright, I'm in this at 647. See if it's going to get a bounce right here. Okay, well that cracked the VWAP. Looking a little bearish, so I had to cut my losses on that one. I don't like ending on a loss, but I'm going to end right there because I'm up in profit. I don't want to start giving it all back. I was trading and making some good trades, just scalping here and there, getting some good green trades in. I don't want to give that all back, so I'm just going to end right there. I wish I could capitalize more when these stocks are making these type of moves. At the same time, I'm happy. I'm green the last 12 out of 14 days. Still on a really good consistent streak. Making some really good trades. Really happy about it. It's all about the setups. The big profits will come later down the road. Right now, it's just about learning, how to trade the best setups, learning how to be consistent, and then we'll start sizing in a lot more, making a lot more down the road. I'm glad you guys are here just to see this journey, because if you're not yet trading or you're on a simulator, you'll be able to see, my flaws, my successes, and just be able to learn from those. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. See you tomorrow.